Ladies and gentlemen and children of all ages. Who said that? That was P.T. Barnum when he'd open up the circus. Well, we don't have a circus here, Reddit fans. I'm Russ Whitney. Maybe you've seen I've done a lot of posts and answering questions here on Reddit. And I have a method to my madness, which you'll see coming out on our social media. You can also visit russwhitney.com just to see exactly what we do and why you might be really, it might be really a good idea for you to listen to the answers to these types of questions. I doubt you'll get them anywhere else. So let's start with one here. This is Ronald Ho, 87. All right. Hey, investors, I need help figuring out an answer to this question. How do I determine a property's location history? Where can I look? I would like to figure out homeowners to renters, crime rate, population, job, basically overgrowth over a period of time, let's say 5 years ago. Where can I look for this answers? Can't find anything online. You know what I would do is, what I would do is I would get with a realtor. And there's two types of realtors. There's what we call the cream of the crop realtors. These are the ones that are in the Century 21s and all the name brand franchise. Generally, you're going to find that the average realtor is going to be the one who wants to sell you a single family home in a nice neighborhood, good school district with, nice carpets and good sized closets. They also usually are the least experienced. My suggestion is you look for what we call a scrap realtor, S-C-R-A-P, scrap. These are the realtors that deal in income-producing properties. They deal in low and moderate income, handyman specials, properties that are cosmetically distressed, and some that might be badly distressed. You don't want one of those. You want cosmetic distress. The least amount of improvement that gives you the most amount of cosmetic increase in value. So what I would do is, where you find those, you go to a low moderate area of town, a working class, with some rundown properties, and not where you got to go collect your rent with a gun. So you want a good working class neighborhood. And again, what you should do, one of the things you do is look for the realtor signs. There's going to be properties for sale. You'll generally find probably one or two realtors that have the most signs in those areas, which means that's a realtor that understands low, moderate income producing properties from a duplex on up to 10 or 20 units. And then go sit and interview them. Tell them what you're looking for and pick their brain. They'll know in the area, generally they'll know in their area, where the crime rates are, just exactly what you're asking me here for the history on the property. So that's my best suggestion. And also look on Craigslist for realtors that have handyman specials, properties in need of fixing. That's where I would tell you to go. I hope that answers your question, my friend.